In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram reel with Genspark. We'll move from a blank page to a published reel in a smooth, simple workflow, and I'll share practical tips along the way so you get clear professional results without overthinking it. First, open Genspark and sign into your account. This ensures your work is saved and that you can revisit drafts later. If you're on a shared device, make sure you're signed into the correct profile so your projects stay organized and accessible. Once you're in, start a new super agent or content creation task. Think of this as opening a fresh workspace designed to guide you through ideation and production. Super Agent helps you automate more of the heavy lifting, while a standard content task keeps things focused and streamlined. Either way, you're setting up a dedicated canvas for your reel. Now, enter a prompt explaining the Instagram reel you want to make. Be specific. Describe the goal, audience, tone, and call to action. Mention the vertical format, the ideal length, and any hook you want in the first 3 seconds. If you have brand guidelines like keywords, pacing, or style, include those. The clearer your prompt, the better Genspark can tailor the output. Let Genspark generate the script, visuals, or structure for the reel. Give it a moment to process, then scan the results. You'll typically see an opening hook, a logical flow of points, and suggestions for visuals or on-screen text. This is your foundation. It should feel like a first draft that's already 80% there. Next, review the generated content and make any needed edits. Tighten the opening so it grabs attention immediately. Check that the message fits your audience and that transitions feel natural. Ensure the visuals match your brand and the script reads smoothly out loud. Keep the aspect ratio in mind, vertical 9:16, and aim for concise pacing so every second counts. When you're satisfied, export or assemble the final short form video. If Genspark outputs assets separately, bring them into your preferred editor to align timing, add captions, and balance audio. Choose a high quality vertical export such as 1080 by 1920 and double check that text isn't cut off near the edges. Finally, upload the finished video as an Instagram reel. Add a clear caption, relevant hashtags, and a strong cover image so it looks great on your grid. Preview before posting, then publish with confidence. That's it. Your Genspark powered reel is live and ready to engage your audience.